Welcome to Epicor Advanced Projects. In this video, what we're going to do is introduce the project ledger. Now, this is a revolutionary aspect to advanced projects because in standard projects, we didn't have the ability to aggregate and easily access every single GL transaction that is associated or that has hit a project. Within APM, you'll notice here that I am in the project entry screen. So this is where a lot of project managers would be engaging and investigating their projects. You can see on the left side tree structure, I have my phases, my jobs, my cost codes and project analysis, project accruals. And across the header, you'll notice there, GL controls and right here, project ledger. By clicking on that project ledger, I have a couple different rows here that are specific to the project ledger. So I have the summary, show me all AR and AP, how are we doing on this project? Right here though is these are all the transactions. So as a project manager, I can come through here and simply look at phase and GL accounts and the transaction types, classification, and most importantly, what the values were of each transaction. But of course, like any good Epicor screen, we can group by. So I can very simply say, you know what, I'm looking for specific cost or revenue in a phase or by a part type. So it's a really nice way to quickly slice and dice that information within project entry. The other things that we have here, instead of all, maybe I want to look at just my cost. Maybe I want to look at current period costs or cumulative costs. I want to see it. Hey, what are all the invoices that have hit this project? Have I had any invoices or billables yet? In this case, we haven't, so we better get to work, right? I want to look at all my labor transactions that have hit this project, and again, the GL associated with it. I want to look at all the parts and materials that I bought for this project. So again, what this does is number one, it gives our project managers a really easy to use tool without being finance experts to go and investigate and find issues that may have came up. Why are we over budget? Why are we under budget? The other thing that it does is for the finance team is correcting projects. What happens all the time is that we have transactions hit the wrong project, they hit the wrong phase, and we need to correct that. Because we have a project ledger, we can do project journals. So it gives us a much easier way to do a project journal rather than doing a job adjustment. So we can quickly just go and find a transaction and allocate it to a different part of the project or maybe a different project altogether with that project journal entry. I hope you found this helpful. If you would like to find out more, we'd happily do a discovery session or a demonstration of this module to get into all the other great aspects of this module. So please reach out to your Epicor account manager and they would be happy to set that up. Thank you very much.